What are you up to, you little monkey? You're a little fucker. Bonjour. Darling, Peter's long gone. Let him go, let him go. You are out, you daft trollop. Oh, hey, don't chew that bloody chair. Hey! Don't you dare. Oh, hey. Don't keep calling me a... You are out. You're not going outside to fly with the seagulls, if that's what you're thinking. You can stop looking. Don't. Apologies for the camera work as ever. Look at this little bugger now. She's going to terrorise Molly. What have you got? What? She is a fucker, isn't she? Oh, see, now where you're sitting there, there's too much light from the window, really. You're not going out there to fly with seagulls. I know that's all you seem to think about lately. Hello, fat tit. Turn around this way. What? Oh, where are you? Oh, here. That was very clever. Oh look, quick look. There's one of the baby canaries. Oh.
Get up there.
Come on, Roo. Mob, come here. Come here, let her get away. See, they love each other, these two.
Fucker.
Is she a fucker? Bonjour. Bonjour. Ah. Comment allez-vous? I can't keep up with you when you're flying. Where are you? Where are you? Come here. Get off there, darling. Oh, get off there. Yeah, look, that's a little baby. That one's called Splodge Perkins. I love her, she's lovely. When I go in the aviary, she'll come and sit on me. But this camera's doing things on its own. Where's the others? There's a baby one. There's two babies there, look. With Dad, look. Oh, look, Dad's feeding them. He is such a good dad. Isn't that lovely? If If only human fathers were all as good as this, eh? He's weaned all these babies on his own. The she's laid 3 more eggs now, and she's not interested in them at all. Yeah, oh look, there's his little brother. Hang on. There's the 3 babies all fledged now with their dad. Oh, I love them. There's my lovely Molly, lying in the sunshine, chewing a bone. Hello, beautiful. Molly? Mo, do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Obviously not today. Okay, enough for today. Big love to everybody from the menagerie.